Hi, Dr. Penhollow here with Precision Regenerative Medicine. We're doing an Emsculpt treatment for the Tower of Power, the core. The Emsculpt machine is a electromagnetic high frequency machine that delivers the equivalent of like a 1.5 Tesla magnet. It is safe, it is a medical device, it is applied by me, your physician, and it is part of stabilizing the core. It is a series of 4 treatments, 30 minutes apiece. The treatments do not hurt. We do expect that you will increase in your intensity over the course of your 4 treatments. And there are different sessions within this, with each contraction is 5 minutes of a contraction and relaxation phase. Part of that includes getting rid of the lactic acid. Right now you're seeing the muscles contract. And now this is the relaxation phase, where those taps are tapping down the lactate that's been generated by these very strong contractions, and it will be absorbed by the circulatory system and will be either breathed out through the lungs or flushed out through the urine. It's very important to increase your fluids on a day of an Emsculpt treatment. This is the equivalent in 30 minutes of doing 20,000 perfect sit-ups. I don't know how many people could do 20,000 sit-ups in a 30-minute session, and I know for sure that they would not be perfect sit-ups. So you have me in the treatment here, making sure that all of the contractions are effective, and we are monitoring to make sure that we can increase our intensity as we start to build up those muscles. Very important part of overall treatment package, where we help heal you from the inside. We want the core to be extremely stable so that you do not re-injure, and so that it helps you return to your activities. We definitely use the abdomen as part of a lumbar spine treatment, where a person needs to have those core muscles on the front strengthened and stabilized, so that then they have a nice tower of power, which protects the entire spine from the back of the skull all the way down to the tail. Again, this is Emsculpt. What it means for you is you return to the activities you love faster, that you are less likely to re-injure, and that you get a good result from your treatment with us. Thank you.